Hazrat Anas radiallahu anhu reports that his paternal aunt Rubai broke the two front teeth of a girl. Her relatives requested for pardon, but the girl's relatives refused. Then they came to the Prophet ﷺ and did not agree to anything but to take the retaliation. So Allah's Apostle ﷺ commanded retaliation to be taken. Thereupon Hazrat Anas bin Nadr, her brother, submitted, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, will Rubayya's front teeth be broken? No, by him who sent you with the truth, her teeth will not be broken. Whereupon Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, O Anas, Allah's book ordains retaliation. Meanwhile, they agreed to forgive. So Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, undoubtedly there are some of Allah's bondsmen who, if swear by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, trusting in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu certainly materializes it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4500.